Let's be honest, it's not the technology getting smarter that frightens us. What's frightening is that humans are no longer the main players on the field. 100 years ago, machines replaced horses. 50 years ago, computers replaced paper. 5 years ago, neural networks began replacing humans. Not workers, not cashiers, not operators. We're talking about the mind, about professions that once defined what made humans different from machines. Today, AI writes code. Tomorrow, it may build companies. In 10 to 15 years, it could manage economies better than governments. Heavy breathing. 90% of professions will disappear not because we got worse, but because we simply won't be needed anymore. AI writes scripts faster than junior developers. AI diagnoses illnesses more accurately than some doctors. Models process legal documents hundreds of times faster than lawyers. GPT-4 passes university exams better than students. Midjourney and DALL-E produce art faster than designers. Translators, journalists, analysts, the world where the human brain was irreplaceable is ending. Facts to show on screen. Google replaced 12,000 employees in 2023. IBM froze hiring for 7,800 roles to replace them with AI. 300 MEM jobs could disappear by 2035, Goldman Sachs. Legal AI. Harvey already works in 50 top law firms. The question is no longer when, but whether we can adapt in time. Chapter 2. Why 90%? Because 90% of work is repetition. Spreadsheets, documents, calls, emails, reports. Most jobs are structure, not creativity, not to invent, but to execute. 95% of banking processes follow algorithms. 80% of accounting is automatable. Call centers are already cheaper to replace with AI chat systems. A human needs 8 hours. AI needs 0.01 seconds. The difference isn't quality, it's scale. If your work can be described in words, it can be automated. Not everything will disappear. We hold the viewer by giving not hope, but understanding. There are areas where AI is still weak, where there's no correct answer, where emotions matter, where trust matters, where chaos lives. Examples: psychology and therapy. AI cannot feel pain. Childhood education. Children learn through love. Skilled labor. Construction, welding, electrical, real hands. Art, music, theater, emotion, not function. Leadership, charisma cannot be coded. AI solves. Human understands. Chapter 4. The real replacement. The dangerous part is not AI removing jobs. The danger is that AI makes average humans irrelevant. Professions won't disappear. People who perform them at a medium level will. There will be 10%, the elite, who control AI 90%, replaceable mass, unless they adapt. For developers, designers, marketers, only 2 categories will exist: those who use AI, and those who are replaced by it. AI won't take your job. Someone using AI better than you will. What comes after jobs disappear? New roles of the future. Explained, not just listed. AI workflow architect builds systems around neural models. Prompt engineer, already $300K salary in the US neural interface operator. Brain-computer integration work. Synthetic reality designer. Builders of virtual worlds. AI ethics overseer. Regulates morality of algorithms. Digital personality trainer. Teaches AI individuality. We are not losing jobs. We are losing the old world of work. We are creating a new one. How to become someone who cannot be replaced. Not motivation. Strategy. Learn to work with AI. Step outside the algorithm. Create, don't repeat. Be flexible. Jobs change. Humans rarely do. Think differently. Deeper, not faster. The market won't disappear. It will simply change players. To survive, you don't need to be smarter than AI. You need to be human where AI cannot. 90% of jobs may vanish, but those who think, who feel, who create, will remain. A machine can replace thousands of people, But one person can create thousands of machines. Don't fear the future. Fear becoming the past. Will AI take over, or will you evolve with it?